Hello children, I hope you all are watching all the videos regularly and are able to understand everything from the videos. Now here is a revision of what we have learned earlier. Let's start our revision of lesson 3, that is classification of animals. Types of animals. Animals are grouped on the basis of presence or absence of a backbone into two types. One, invertebrates, and two, vertebrates. First one, invertebrates. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Insects such as cockroach, ant, snail, crab, and slug are invertebrates. In invertebrates, let's see an example of an insect body, that is cockroach. Now, insects' bodies are divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has a pair of eyes, antennae, and a mouth. Thorax has wings and spiracles. Now, the spiracles are the holes which are used for breathing, and the abdomen is segmented. Now, what are vertebrates? Animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. The vertebrates are further grouped as fish, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Children, we have already learned about vertebrates in our sessions. So, in this revision, we will see important characteristics. Okay? Starting with vertebrates, fish. Fish live in water and have gills for breathing and fins for movement in the water. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. A reptile's body is generally covered with scales. Many snakes do molting. What is molting? That means shedding of their old skin. Reptiles such as turtles and tortoises have a hard protective shell on their bodies. Lizards such as chameleons and iguanas camouflage. That means they can change their body color to blend with their surroundings and hide away from their enemies. Reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. Amphibians. They can live on land as well as in water. Amphibians have webbed feet that help them swim in water. You can see some examples of amphibians like frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. Let's revise what we have learned about the amphibian frog. Frogs breathe through lungs on land and with the help of their moist skin in the water. A frog has a very long and sticky tongue. Frogs have longer hind limbs to hop on land. Frog's baby is called tadpole, which breathes with the help of gills and can live only in water. Now, the next vertebrate is birds. Birds are warm-blooded animals. Birds have lightweight bodies which are covered with feathers. Kiwis, ostriches, and penguins are flightless birds. Now, mammals. Mammals have certain distinct characteristics. Mammals have hair on their body. They have well-developed brains. They reproduce by giving birth to babies that feed on their mother's milk. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Mammals breathe through lungs. With this, we come to the end of revision of the chapter 3, classification of animals. Keep watching all the videos regularly. Bye.